welcome back. So today I've got just a little unboxing I just wanted to do with you. I've got a few products here. Where have they come up? One from Revolution, one from Skin Beauty, and one from Iconic. So I'm going to show you the Iconic first. So it's the Iconic London Seamless Concealer. I've wanted to get my hands on this for a while now because I've heard really good reviews on it. I've got a natural beige, which I thought, I'm quite pale, so it's maybe, that's really nice packaging. So it comes in like, it's like rose gold with like the frosted packaging, really attractive. And then inside, oh, that's really creamy, really creamy. Yeah, nice. Okay, I look forward to trying that out later. So we've got that one there. Concealer all over my hand now. Right, and then from Revolution, I just bought a couple of bits that I kind of needed. So I needed a new beauty blender because, bless its heart, mine's nearly dead. So I've had it about, God, I think I got it from like Selfridges or something about 5 years ago now. It's done well, they're really good, but really good, but it's yeah, it's a bit poorly. It's got a few holes. Oh God. So I'm going to try this. It's Pro 250 Pointed Fluffy Brush, used with powder and cream based products. So it's this one from Revolution Pro. I think this one was about, sorry, the concealer was, I believe, £23 or 22, 23 off their website. This one was about £5.80, I think. It was in the sale. Have a quick look at the brush. God, in the packaging. It's quite light. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice brush. It's really fluffy and thick. Quite like the pointed bit because I thought it'd be quite good for getting under the eyes, down the nose a bit. Yeah, I like that. Right, okay, try that out later. So let's look at this, their version of the blending sponge. So I got this one. I'll try and get it without the glare. So this is the Precious Stone Rose Quartz Blending Sponge, and it comes in a little case. So I'm going to have a look at that. Bloody hell. Right. It's work out getting into that. Okay, so it's like a little plastic sort of diamond shaped case. That's quite handy, I suppose. Ooh. Ta-da! So feels quite firm, but I mean when it's wet it might be good. But I was quite interested by the shape actually, because I thought with it being pointed again, you can get under the eyes and all the sort of smaller areas. So, but then the flat bit I thought would be quite good for blending around the larger areas. So it'd be interesting to try that out later as well. I think that was £4. So we will see what it's like. Right, so then next from Skin Beauty I have nice little branded tissue paper. These are so cute. Oh, got one. So I got a little brush set. So, oh God, they're so cute. I hope they're good. Oh, look, hundreds and thousands in there. Adorable, absolutely adorable. And yeah, again, nice thick fluffy brush. Oh, that's quite exciting. And so we've got, what have we got in here? We've got five brushes, and we've got a nice flat, I suppose that could be a foundation or a powder brush, a nice probably blusher or bronzer, and then oh, it's got a bit bent. We've got another small fluffy brush. I love the fact that they're loose inside as well, that's just cute. And then a flat eyeshadow brush. Oh, this would be good for the highlighter. I needed a good highlighter brush. So, and this one, small pointy. Oh yes, happy. Right, and I have to say, they're all really good quality and nice and fluffy. So we'll put those to the test in my next video as well. I just love that, love the design. Normally I find that the pretty brushes I kind of steer clear from. I just go for like the boring, like black type ones like Morphe, MAC, Sigma, them type, because I find that the pretty ones don't really, for me, tend to be as good, but I have to say these look quite promising. Right, so yeah. Oh, and they've also been kind enough to send me a code, so if you are interested in these, they do all different ones. There's some like marble ones and some rose gold ones, really pretty. Then I'll pop the discount code in the description box below. It's CW30 I think, which gives you 30% off on the website. So yeah, feel free to use that if you want to. So that's everything today. I am going to be also uploading another video probably tomorrow of quite a cute look, a bit more sort of probably glam, natural glam, using a lot of the products that I've done in the unboxing video from today and my last unboxing video. So if you want to watch that, please subscribe in the box, and yeah, and then you'll see when that one comes up. So thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.